What is up, my friends? Welcome back on my sneaker. My name is Frost and this is a totally different video, and it's kind of sad, but I'm kind of looking forward to it because it's probably going to be funny for me personally. The sad part is that these kicks looked amazing. These are super cheap, but they looked amazing. Here's a picture of them. And by the way, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also the bell to support me, to support my channel, to support my project, and have some fun together. Also got Instagram at mysneakeryt. And as you can see, they looked amazing. I was at the store and they were presented like this. It's awesome. I've never seen something like this on a sneaker. You can do this, then you can move that around, and you got that cool pattern styling, or you can simply wear them like I wore, which is a little bit more blacked out, but the shape of the sneaker is a mix of Converse and some other old school looking kicks. What I really liked were the laces. These were like a little bit glossy, and pretty amazing. I really liked them. I wore them not that often, and then I refound them in my shoe collection, and I thought, wait a minute, they are awesome, why don't I wear them? Of course they are not the most comfortable, but they look cool. So I wore them not daily, but 2 to 3 times a week, and suddenly they totally got trashed. This is okay, but as you can see right here, it's all falling apart. And the worst part is, I mean, you could glue that somehow if you wanted to. A bad thing already, you can see it's not stitched, it's just a pattern like it would be stitched, and therefore I'm only trying to buy stitched cheap sneakers so they hopefully do not fall apart. But the worst part is, check this out, from simply walking, like I said, I didn't use them for, I won't say for a couple of years, it's just a couple of months, not even a couple of months, couple of weeks, and they are just falling apart. Totally bad, as you can see right here. The other one is the same story, totally bad. And therefore I thought, and check this out, from wearing them a couple of weeks and months, the sole is like, I mean, my Air Force One from Nike do not look like this after wearing them for 3 years, daily, nearly daily, honestly. And this is how soft the soles and how bad they are. It's too bad. I like the support. Also, I don't want to say the cheap stuff, but the lower price stuff that looks cool. It doesn't have to be Nike or Adidas or Puma all day. When it looks cool and I dig the styling, I get it. Why not? I mean, they were like 35 or something bucks, and yeah, anyway, I would say let's start up the show.